Miami-based Airborne Response, Airborne, a provider of mission-critical aerial intelligence drone services, has been acquired by SafePro Group Inc., developer of safety and security solutions. Airborne will continue to operate as a wholly owned subsidiary of SafePro and will consolidate their audited financial reports. Terms of the transaction were not disclosed. Airborne Response provides drone services including site mapping, critical infrastructure inspection, and customized aerial data capture, combined with machine learning and artificial intelligence (AI) processing, to provide customers with comprehensive data-driven insights and customized reporting to help clients improve decision-making surrounding their core operations. Under the leadership of founder and president Christopher Todd, the firm's current client roster has grown to include top Florida enterprises including Florida Power and Light, FPL, Citizens Property Insurance Corporation, and Motorola Solutions. Todd is a well-known drone industry figure, as the head of the non-profit Airborne International Response Team, AIRT, and Drone Responders. Dan Erdberg, SafePro Chairman and CEO, previously served as the Chief Executive Officer for Jacksonville-based Drone Aviation, which successfully developed and fielded unmanned aerial systems with the U.S. military, the Department of Homeland Security and state and local law enforcement agencies prior to its merger with a 5G-focused technology company and subsequent NASDAQ listing. The combined industry experience of Mr. Erdberg and Mr. Todd is expected to drive SafePro Group's initiative to expand drone-based service offerings into the significant critical infrastructure inspection opportunity in the U.S., as well as the immeasurable humanitarian demoning crises abroad, says the acquisition press release. The acquisition of Airborne Response will allow us to expand our capabilities to provide commercial and government customers with mission-critical solutions to support their requirements and effectively achieve their objectives, said Dan Erdberg, Chairman and CEO of SafePro Group. Airborne has built an impressive list of blue-chip customers who rely on the actionable intelligence its drones provide. Our vision is to quickly leverage Airborne's expertise to deliver the benefits of drone-based technology to our government, enterprise, and humanitarian customers for a wide range of applications. The acquisition of Airborne Response is the latest strategic development at SafePro Group, which earlier this year acquired SafePro USA, a U.S.-based specialist in the manufacture of ultra-premium bullet and blast-resistant protection and explosive ordnance disposal (EOD)/demoning solutions serving the U.S. Department of Defense, law enforcement, and international humanitarian organizations. The company intends to integrate drone-based technologies into its EOD and demoning offerings by expanding their solutions with aerial detection capabilities, aiding ground-based personnel in safely completing their missions. We are excited to join the SafePro Group mission of helping to protect those who protect us all, said Todd. Our success is based upon a commitment to meeting the needs of enterprise customers for real-time data collection and analytics. Joining forces with Dan and the SafePro Group team will allow us to deepen our capabilities and expand our offerings to new markets here in the U.S. and internationally, where our expertise and experience with drone-based technologies can significantly improve operational effectiveness while also ensuring the safety of people working in harm's way.